Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Venmo features for smaller business owners. So let's quickly dive into it. Looking for a simple way to collect payment as a small business owner? Venmo has a few standout features that makes selling, invoicing, and getting paid way easier. With a business profile, you get instant credibility plus a shareable QR code your customer can scan to pay you on the spot. Payment hits your account fast, your transaction history is clean, and refunds are simple to process. You also get built-in analytics which help you track sales without extra software. Another major win is convenience. A customer can pay you using their Venmo balance, bank account, or card, so you never lose a sales without someone doesn't have a cash. There are no monthly fee to get started, and checkout feels familiar since millions already use Venmo, and it's one of the easiest payment tools for smaller brands, local sellers, and side hustlers. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know if you want a full Venmo business setup guide set, and that's it.